Hey babies, this is the one and only Mama Chocolate Sugar, and I was just stopping by to debut my new cookie box that I got in. I usually use the same box I use for my cupcakes, and I sort of cram them all in there, but I got another box designed that'll fit my cookies better for display. Of course, it still has the thank you card on there, of course, with my picture on it. Oh, isn't she just beautiful? And it says, thank you for placing your order with Mama Chocolate Sugar. I see you have ordered the chocolate chip cookies. It also goes on to suggest other things that I make, like sugar cookies or a caramel cake. So with all my sugar, I send a thank you card. I want you to know that I'm grateful, and also suggest other things. And look at my little heart. Boop, 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 boop. I love you. Anyway, and of course it comes with a label to someone special, shows the product and my contact information. And so this is my new cookie box, guys. Let me know what you think. I'll probably be using this for brownies also. I'm not sure. My brownies pretty much fit perfectly in my cupcake box, but I don't know. Maybe this will display better. And I've got them at a really, really good price. I'm so excited in my hot pink. But yeah, it's really nice. It opens up. And this is my $5 box of cookies. It varies in the amount of cookies depending on the humidity or the weather. You know, they expand or they, so, there isn't a certain number of cookies. But believe me, it's $5 worth, don't you think? All homemade, delicious, moist, a little chewy chocolate chip cookies. I also make those with walnuts, but I didn't with this batch. So today is Saturday, the 31st, and chocolate chip cookies are a part of the daily menu. So if you are interested in that, please give me a call, 779-233-0347, or you can email me at mamacchocolatessugar, mamacsugar@yahoo.com, which is MOMMACSUGA@yahoo.com. And listen, honey, if no one has ever told ya, Mama Chocolate loves ya. Ciao, Bella.